Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the Google Maps element. The Google Maps element allows you to seamlessly embed Google Maps directly into the page. Here I have a Google Maps element on the page. Let's walk through the options the Google Maps element has to offer. First, we have location. You can set it to be an address or to be a coordinate. Let's say I want to set the location by address, and I choose Oxford University, UK, and you see the location displayed on the map correctly. I can also set the location by coordinates, like this. Next, you can select the map type to be road map or to be satellite, like this. And we can change the zoom distance to be very big or to be very small, like this. You can change the height for the element. And those are important options of the Google Maps element. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.